Nvidia and AMD showing a lot of relative strength.
So I'm down 10% on starters, but I want to get an ad around 544, 544.40, 544.50. This is just a retest projection here at 545. So all right, I did get my ad, so I'm in my position now. I'm going to use my risk is above 545. I'm just trading my plan this morning, which was a fail under 545 for shorts. So my risk has to be above 545 today. My average now is 2.7. Or sorry, 2.7.
All right, just watching here, guys. But I got fill, guys. 375. Oh, 370 is my average. My stop is going to be that 1110.
If you want to leave
I'm
room,
taking a trim here, guys.
if you want to leave room to add, your only ad level should really be 545 though. Just letting you know. If you don't want to get your full size yet, you can still wait for technically for 545.
16% here. 15, 16%. Come on, break the give me. Come on. Especially I got like a little more there. We're back to break even here.
Guys, I'm up
This
10%.
is the wick here, guys. This has to go here.
I'm up 10% on SPY here. I just took my first trim at 11% on SPY. I just took my first trim at 11% because I have a lot of size right now. Take your first trim, move stops, because if we get stopped in this, I'm going to re-enter. This is the bear flag on SPY though, so I really love it, but my risk is now going to be 544.2. 13%, 14%, 15% now.
It's still green here, guys. I'm going to use that 1112 as stop now.
Okay.
On these remaining contracts.
I took
just don't want to see too much red.
Sorry, I took some more trims at 15% on SPY.
So they're going to be it's going to be a liquidity trap. They have to fix this. We'll see a big here, and so it's going to happen. Yeah, there. Okay. That was a good reaction. 1112, guys. Okay.
I want to see this bear flag low break now. I want to see 542.50 break. Contracts are up about 16% right now for me. This is the level though. I mean, I love this trade now. This to me looks really good. Make sure you guys are out about 50% so you can use your risk now 544. That's my stop loss, 544 stop loss. Let's be smart about this now. If it's going to go lower, it
Guys
has.
have stopped out of runners. $20 in the red on runner.
Okay. Let's see if this low can break though. Up 22% now. 23%. All right, I took some more trims at 23%, and now I'm just going to be in runners. Runner size now for lower, because this could still break lower today. We could see 50-60% of runners if we hold this right. So just need to take some exposure off in the low day though. That's the right thing to do. I'm still going to follow the same 544 level though. I'm not going to adjust my risk. Let's see if we can get that free-flowing move though now. That would be good. I mean, Qs are rejecting too. Qs do have support though at the 462.50 level. There's the issue now. The issue is we do have data in 5 minutes. So they may not want to break it until post data. We have PCE and pending home sales at 10 o'clock. Okay, market's breaking now. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Contracts are moving pretty well now. I think that before they were a bit pinned, to be honest, but now they're starting to move nicely. Good trade, guys. Good work.
Nice.
Yeah, that's it. Take some more off, guys. 33% plus. Everybody should be nicely in the green. We do have data in 3 minutes. I don't want to hear what people say after data because I have no idea what's going to happen after data. I'm gonna hold through data. Just to be honest, I'm gonna hold through data, but I'm out about 80% of my position or more. So just keep that in mind. But there's really no reason to sell now. Now just use a 543 stop loss. 543 stop loss. But yeah, we could hold through data. If you've taken out majority, you can hold through data.
Nice trade.
Thank you. Yeah. So a minute and 10 seconds till our data release.
What's the data at 10 o'clock?
We have huge data actually. We have personal income outlays PCE, and we also have pending home sales. Contracts are up almost 40%, guys. I'm holding till after the data. My stop loss is 543. Make sure you guys manage your own money. Data's out in 10 seconds. My finger's in the trigger though. I want to see 543 stay under. This pop, if it pops, it's still fake as long as it's under 543. That should be our idea here. It could still go lower as long as we're under 543. Market's reacting to data here. $543 reclaiming. Let's see, give it a second here. All right, I sold runners. I sold runners in the green. I was holding above my trail stop, so took my sell. But really nice trade. It may fail again off my 544, but I'm okay taking the gains. Just using effective trail stop just to keep things in the green. Actually, to be honest now, like if we do reclaim 544 today, that could be a long trigger. Let's see. Yeah, but it's still rejecting. Yeah, I mean that candle high from that wick is just a 5 EMA.
Gonna wait for one more candle, guys. Want to see what market does here. So not a lot of participants in this action here. These last 3-4 candles in the market, but we'll know the appetite in like 5-10 minutes.
Worse if it started moving with that sound. It's all good though. Next spot. level I should be looking for.
Wow.
Looks like it's rejecting early. I think it wants to go to the downside. You look at the 15.
All right,
It's a
I'm
gap
back.
down. Clearly going down. But
It's actually interesting on
below
spot
this
here.
line, it will probably clear the gap for the rest of the day. So we want to look at this. Pay attention to this because that's a big move.
What
Looks like it's
TikToks
rejecting.
am I watching? I'm watching
So it's gonna
Spy.
continue.
I'm watching Netflix. Both of them.
So Netflix too.
Are you watching that spy 5555544
Huh?
reclaim?
Oh, it's 541.25 is the trigger. We have the 20 cents off. Contracts are really moving on that side. I think bears are going to become liquidity.
I think that's what's gonna happen. I was gonna say it too. I think that's what's gonna happen. If it reclaims this 544 is a long trigger.
It's not selling. It's not real selling. Same thing. I mean, they're just probably going to pin it before earnings.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Could go long and use that 543 as stop, but it's a bit risky. Let's see.
We need like a pressure on that shit. So I think we need like Spy. That's when I'll trade it. I got a little off the lows there. But
Yeah.
an entry here would be risky.
If it,
I'll look at Netflix, guys. I'm going to load the 1140 calls. Just we just need one more candle. Let's just wait. It'll be nicer to get an entry here, but I think we'll wait for confirmation.
No, I would not reject spy anymore. To be honest, it's consolidated. If we were gonna go lower, we should have gone lower. Also, something I noticed too was like the puts weren't moving that well. I don't know if you guys noticed that. There's a lot of people who are gonna short this channel though, just like we did, but they're gonna get in now. And if they do break VWAP now, they're actually already long triggering now above 544. Now if it reclaims 545, this could go straight to 550 today. We could see a pretty nasty V-shaped reversal today. 545 still is resistance, but this is already beginning a reclaim here above 544.
Alright, I'm gonna just be patient.
Look, it's actually interesting. Look at our puts. Our puts are cooked right now. If you held, they're at 2.3.
Oh man, these contracts are moving crazy right now. Could get an earlier entry here, but I'm just going to be patient here. Honestly, best entry is probably like one candle ago.
Next level's up here.
Wow.
Let this joint wrap.
If 544 reclaim 545 reclaims now, That could be pretty. That could be a very big. It's going to be a very big switch in the market, and we likely see that 548 now. I'm tempted to go long now. So that could be up now. So just be patient. To be honest, I think we should have already entered Honcho. I think we should have already entered at 544. We should have just entered. I think this is going to be it, actually.
No, it's gonna do it.
Yeah.
So, there's a lot of flaws. It's just, yeah, it's just too much. You can see Tesla also, they're catching up right here. So
I bet you the SPY longs that you had probably moved better than the shorts that I had. Even
they did move better.
Yeah.
Which did move because of the volatility pop, but they just got like completely annihilated on this reversal.
more than likely, what happens here is we see a little bit of a rejection here at 545 to really get people involved short. So you might see a little bit of a dip to 544, and it just that dip will probably get bought up and we just rip now.
I want that. That's kind of what I'm waiting for. I'm being patient. They just like paint one more candle and form a low, and then rip it. It'll be a more stronger rip.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it looks like it's
Carib, I'm just saying what I think. I mean, this is more just speculation now.
So I'm gonna just stand
We'll
strong.
see.
Still up $6, which is, whatever it is. It looks like it's scared to go past my line.
But they do this all the time.
I'm just going to load the 547 1DT, guys. Bye. Loading does not mean enter.
It's resilient.
They're not willing to test, like that's you can tell it, like they're just buying it. They just don't wanna give anything. Their risk reward is skewed here. So the problem.
You could use 544 as risk though. But
Ideally I wanna see under 543 and then rip it.
oh wow, 43.
For this one candle, I wanna see like them bend like weakness and then rip it next candle. But it may not happen. I'll just take it above 545 if it does happen. Yeah, they're looking at here.
Yeah.
Guys, I just got filled here. 345 is my average. I'm just going to use the candle low of that as stop for this trade. Not getting our entry, but I don't want to miss out. So
I think it looks good. I think it was good, Rev.
watching this NVIDIA 106 level.
$5,500 ES, actually pretty big above us though. That has to reclaim too.
Yeah, I saw like 5% there. That's about it. It's gonna go needs to just push now. But that's the thing. I kind of wish we had that dip and drip. It would have been a much cleaner, like bigger, squeezier move.
The thing is, you're long right at the trigger right now.
I know. But that's what I don't like about this. Just it's too obvious. But it could also be an obvious shot. So that's the thing. It's 50-50 right now. It's not a great setup. But I don't want to miss out also. We'll keep our trigger right at that. This goes a little higher. We'll be able to get some trips off. And then have the trails. Maybe you should have just done zeros. I'm just selling green here, guys. I'm not going to hold this. Yeah, it's up to $8 account here. I'm just selling it here. I don't like it. The scratch trade. I'll wait for a pullback. It seems too obvious.
Yeah, just for gut.
It's just not worth it. But I do like it if it can dip below that 544, test around 543, and then do a reclaim. If they do that, I think we'll see higher, much higher. Let's see if that plays out.
A big move is gonna happen here though.
I think the way SPY is acting, I wouldn't be surprised if it goes green today.
Yeah.
That is the kind of bold call you'll want to do. There's no point in saying, "Oh, it'll go here."
I think
a lot to sell.
I think this is
So
gonna
easy
say
to
this
beat
quick.
people up here.
If you still held long, that 544.80 should be a risk. That's like a very clean. Like if you're a bull, that's your flick now. At 544.80.
Yeah, the having level, but then holding in the risking is different thing. I just want a dip here, or else I would have just held.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's sucky.
Rav, you may be a grand.
Or fuck off, dude.
It's still a good trade.
I know, but the risk reward is not there though. Like
500 right here.
those clear and obvious levels will just become like liquidity. Just fuck, man. Now I look like an idiot for selling.
No, dude, it was still, the idea was still good.
Stop that. Get out of here. I'm kind of surprised that Apple is not participating in
Apple.
that's it. It was weak a few days ago. Just holding that same area, lower 9 to 10. Ah, come on, SPY, just give me that 543.
Rav, what do you think about Tesla?
About Tesla now or what? Good. I mean, at 272, they started printing bits there. So maybe it'll just go back to 280.
Really?
What I think is going to happen is I think today they'll just like plant the liquidity here, show people that are strong, and then tomorrow they'll just take out these lows. Tomorrow or by the end of the week, they'll take out the lows.
Hmm.
I do think we will lose it, but yeah, it's just too dependent on catalyst like earnings. So we'll see. Yeah, today played out exactly like I was talking about this exact scenario in my YouTube yesterday. It just played out too early at the open.
We did well today, though. It was actually quite a good day.
I got a little bit of Tesla at the open. So bought it and little cash flow on Netflix.
I think the flip on
It
SPY.
just sold. SPY just sold. Like it's just I didn't think it was gonna go just straight up like that.
Yeah.
I should just held those. I had zeros. Give me 240, 543, man. Come on. Yeah, MB. I mean, but that just tells you like there's real sellers, they wouldn't let that happen. That's clear confirmation of that open action is valid. Fact that they're able to just push that up, whether it's above 546 now. Oh, man.
This is the ES 5500 now.
Where should sell?
I sold my longs. It's kind of ominous now.
I hope they sell though. I hope they sell and then of course we will have get more liquidity, but I don't see selling yet. They may take it to 547. Honestly, pre-market lows here. This is clear, obvious level.
Yep.
But I don't see any sales. I think they're just going to green everything. See?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just sold two.
Guys, I sold that a little too soon. I was just worried about downside. That's it. It was the right idea though. Those 1DTs are up like $400 now.
I'm sure half the chat's holding still, Rev.
I know, but like frustrating. The risk reward was just not there. 50 cent would have been like $30. I mean, yeah, I wouldn't have scaled in on that. So it was a defensive.
What are the NVIDIA 106 puts?
Really, so I mean, gonna wait for the next couple candles, like 2, 3, and if it doesn't look like it's about to break this line, then I'm gonna sell off. But I made 80.
Almost at 547 here.
I got filled on starters at 2.28.
Oh, damn.
I sold too early as well.
Dude, these are at 410 now.
Yeah, I know.
420. Oh my god, dude. Like, I'm such an idiot, dude. Someone saying bless you. Oh my god.
Wow. This is
Oh my god, dude.
great.
Like, 430. Oh my god, they're up $100. Like, fuck.
Hit the line. I'm up 115. God damn.
God damn it, dude.
God
Brett,
damn.
it's all your fault, man.
I knew he was gonna blame it on me.
Dude, it's all your fault.
Alright, this is the next line I'm looking at.
Your existence made me sell.
You know why I think you sold? I think it's,
The risk was just not there. Like, the thing is, like, if it failed that for 50 cents, it would have gone to my level 543. It was a $2 drop, and like, it would have been a waste of a
Price
loss.
should sell now. This would clear
It's
up
okay,
my
it was so
loss
great.
But
previous
then
2
the idea
days.
was right. Like, I
But
called this like at 542 that this was gonna happen.
I'm gonna just let it ride. I got a lab that I gotta go to in a little
Okay.
bit. I really don't got nothing to do, so I'm gonna just let it ride. If we go
547.
back to down to like me at $80, then I'll sell. But
I think I sold. Congrats. It's my fault, honestly. That I just was a pussy there.
yep, this line support now. You see how it came down and bounced straight back up? That means that support.
And he was
And
a
then
pussy.
we're still
Fuck.
going towards the upside. Like it doesn't want to go below that line. It's using this line as its support area. This is probably going to be the resistance area. So we're just looking for that.
Let's see where SPY finds resistance though now. We're back at that opening print.
Come on, reject 547 at least. You can tell it's like oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm looking for a close below this line.
559 maybe there is a resistance.
then I'll
549
just
not
sell.
551, but then
But
it would have broken the opening print
as
if that happens.
long as the candles respect this line, as
We're
long as
almost
this
at the
line's
opening
getting
print here.
respect,
I think we are actually.
then I'm
547
gonna
to
stay
speak,
in
yeah.
until I see something different.
Hopefully they paint a reject here at least. But it
Like
doesn't.
that wick.
There's no
That's not
sell side. There's
that's
no
not
sell
a
side
good
yet.
sign
So
for
I think
upside, right? That means we might be going down.
they have to take it lower.
And
for
none
people
of
to
these
sell.
candles have gotten higher. So I mean, it's looking like I'm gonna probably have to get out within the next couple candles. But we'll just hold it.
Down 3%. I may get stopped up quickly if we reclaim this candle high, but this is my supply, so just want to see.
Hopefully SPY rejects Mike.
Yeah, this is the area that's gonna.
Yeah, like
I
547.
would hope one red candle and SPY. That's it.
It should.
But the relative weakness of NVIDIA looks good to me. Let's see.
That's the
Nice.
level. Yeah.
I want 543.
Yeah, this is about me getting out.
Yeah, okay. That candle high is very simply my stop, risking about 10%.
I just made that money. Looks like it's rejecting. Not bad. Not bad. $100 for the day. I really don't have any more money to play with. But yeah, I basically
Looks
wiped
good.
out.
No, it's getting those rejections.
Almost wiped out my last two losses. I think I still would need to get $30 more. I can do that tomorrow. Then I can turn this week into a green week. I still got tomorrow and Fridays are kind of hectic to trade on, but if you know your stuff and you get in, get out, like don't on Fridays you don't want to hold as much as I did. Like I held all the way through this. Fridays you never know what's gonna happen, so you wanna take your little pops and get out. But yeah, that's all for today at least.